Hi Nursery, welcome back to Phonics. We're going to recap some sounds that we already know, learn a new sound and do some segmenting and blending. I'll show you a sound and you say what it is. Let's go. Well done, it's S. And now we've got super. It's ah 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 ah. Here is correct, well done, it's t, 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 t. And now here's p, p, p. Wonderful. What's in here? Oh, we've got one of my favourites. Let's put it on the board because we need two hands. It is I, 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 I. And another of my favourites, a two-hand sound. We'll put it on the board. And this is the sound we learnt yesterday. Can you remember it? That's right. Well done, everybody. Lovely. Now, our friend Jeffrey has a new sound for us, and the sound today is D. 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 Sit up, Jeffrey. D, 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 D. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a D, 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 D. See me play up on my drum. And Jeffrey's been very busy looking around my house, finding things beginning with our new sound, D, 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 D. Let's see what Jeffrey has found. He's found a D, 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 dinosaur. Ooh, that's a bit scary, Jeffrey. Well done. And we've got a D, D, dog. D, D, dog. Thank you, Jeffrey. We've also got a dish. Dish. D, D, dish. And what else? Oh, a cute little D, 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 doll. We've got a doll. Thank you, Jeffrey, for sharing. And we've got a drum. D, D, drum. And we can't have a drum without some D, D, drumsticks. We've got drumsticks to play our drum. D, D, D. Thank you, Jeffrey, for all those lovely items. Well done. Any more? No, that's everything. Okay. Now we're going to make some words by segmenting and blending. We're going to make some words beginning with D, D, D. So let's move the sounds off the board and make some words beginning with D. D. I. Let's draw some sound buttons. D. I. Let's press the sound buttons. D. I. Now let's segment and blend. D. I. Din. And again. D. I. Din. Well done. Now if I take away the and change it for the let's see what word we have now. We've got D. I. D. I. Dim. Dim. And if we take the away and change for a p, then we have D. I. P. Let's use our segmenting and blending. D. I. P. Dip. One more time. D. I. P. Dip. Well done, everybody. You can read now because you can segment and blend and you know so many sounds. Well done. We've got a worksheet to go with today's phonics if you would like to do it at home or at school, and here it is. This is our worksheet for today. Find things that start with the D sound and draw a circle around them. Trace the letter D where you see it. Colour the pictures. There's a dog, a door, a dice, duck, drum, television, sun, dolphin and dinosaur. Which things are the odd ones out? Which ones will you not colour in? I hope that was helpful. Have lots of fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.